What's up? What's up? This is Nikki Blag in the building. I'm back with round two of the cold gel facial that I do using Colgate toothpaste, the white kind only, and Vaseline petroleum jelly. So basically, if you mix this up, they say, like I said in my other video, that is good for pimples, acne, wrinkles, blemishes. Also whitens the skin, which is not my objective, and more. So basically, the pimples comes from your pores being clogged, and not allowing the sebum to flow through. Which is like a oily secretion that's within the skin that should properly flow through. But when it doesn't, that's when the blackheads forms. I'm sorry, the blackhead forms. So what this Colgate is going to do in this Vaseline, and me using this toothbrush. I didn't do this before, but I did see this in the YouTube video that someone was doing, and I thought it was a good idea. They basically was brushing their skin, and I'm going to do mine in an upward motion because I believe everything should be done in the upward motions. And make sure it's a soft brush, and just gently brush your skin to kind of open up those pores. So when you do apply the cold gel, which is the Colgate and Vaseline mask to your face, that it works even better. Okay. So this is going to help open up those pores to allow the sebum to properly flow through, to get rid of those blackheads and things, and any acne, pimples, anything that this can help for. So, like I said, I'm working to try to get this under control here. I have spots here, that I want to see if this works on. So this is my second go round. I'm actually right at a week in between the two videos. I'm at a week in between the two treatments, which I meant to do it before now, but with working and being kind of busy, I wasn't able to do it. But anyway, same bowl. I'm going to go ahead and apply this because the same situation. I am doing this once again before I go to work, which I said I wasn't going to do that again. But I'm going to apply this. I already ironed my clothes, so I'm going to apply this. And I'm going to take a shower and get ready for work. Now, last time I used this, my face felt so refreshing. I had a really bad cold. Now that cold has turned into just allergies. So I still got the cough going on every now and then because the cold trying to come out. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Today is Wednesday, August 1st. Last Wednesday was the 25th. I was saying it was the 24th, so I had that mixed up, but I did correct it in the video. So today is Wednesday, August 1st, 2018. And I'm not sure if you can hear my TV, but I mean my computer, but I do have it on Unwind with Tasha K. Haha. Giving shots out to Tasha K over there in her YouTube channel. Doing really well. Doing really well. I've been following her for a while when she wasn't at the level she's at now, and watched her grow. So yeah. Once again, I'm looking over here because I have a mirror that has two sides and one middle that I can flip over, and it turns magnifies. So shouts out to my mom. She got me this mirror a couple years ago. I will never get rid of it. It will have to fall apart in order for me to part with it. All right. So I'm tearing up once again. Alright, so I got to go take a shower. I will try to come back after I take the shower. Can't guarantee it. Ooh, I'm tearing up, so peace. Okay, Nikki Blag back after my shower. I'm all ready for work here. Yes, this is how I go to work. So I did my facial. And it always feels refreshing once I do it, but I think I do have a little more Vaseline than I do the toothpaste in the mixture, only because I can feel like the thickness when I was washing it to try to get it off. So I'm going to try this a couple more times, like I said, see if I can get rid of these spots here. It definitely feels refreshing. So what I moisturize my face with on a daily basis, I don't use lotion. I use raw coconut oil. And the soap that I use on my face is a soap I've been using for years called Yardley Honey and Oatmeal. They actually sell Yardley now at Dollar Tree, Walmart. I used to use this back in the 90s, where there was only one store in my city that used to sell it, and it was a store that actually specialized in luxury perfumes. So this soap actually used to cost me $3 a bar back in the 90s. You can get it $1 a bar now, or $3 and some change for three bars at Walmart. So that's my tutorial.